How to turn off Snapchat location. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will directly lead you here to your camera. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your profile in the upper left, tap on that and scroll all the way down till you see Snap Map. Now here it will actually show you your location, so you may want to turn that off by so you have to tap on sharing location with 21 friends and then you just have to turn on ghost mode, so until I turn it off, so your friends won't be able to see your location or your ghost trail is cleared. Or the other thing is you could actually turn off your location here, or you could go to settings and just don't give Snapchat the permission of your location. And if it doesn't work, make sure you have updated your Snapchat application by going to your Play Store. Now go to Snapchat, and if you see an update button, you tap on that and do the same process if it's done updating. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.